Hello and welcome to the Mansuri Show. Today it is my distinct honor and pleasure to have with me the Trade and Investment Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Mohammad Hanif Channa. What are some of the initiatives that you have taken?
My job is to facilitate those kind of market access, and given that new administration, to work with them so that we have a good trading relationship with both countries, so that a win-win situation is created. We understand that the soybean is beneficial for our poultry sector in Pakistan. Pakistan produces world-class in terms of quality surgical goods. What inspired me is that it's a wonderful civil service cadre which provides you a diverse experience to serve different regions of Pakistan.